Nyame ane tumi bro to be nyina so enka ye nyina ho yesre no hono madom yesre no mpagya yesre no kese ene nkoso ema ye man ade be nam so bia magana adane abuturi asafade man nko akire mfa mayen omo ye mpanifo akokodo ye betimi deal decisively oni pa bonefo a opese omo man nyenya eboye akronkunu ni alanso enkai ni man Ghana enkai na de hye enkai ni mba yori egu atas fasa asiso sebe yi osenye yi ofriye nyina da bia meka so bie na ofri ba bi ba be siesie man di amaye the late Professor John Evans Atamus can say was it ziwufiasem maybe at that time ya shada antiasie. But then looking at the we are epic pendecon, I believe say your reflection a petty DNT a panic as Asem na say. It to one more be see baby and we be a queen him cry chance any ye. Ye mo be the OGD or Shimu. You walk matoyem so man be ye. Ye need that so or may entertain pansam. Or may angry we tresuda. Ye bejo my papa menchirima. Ye di ni pedua ni ye krabe bo afore de menchirima. No amebo ye ntimpone. No akasa apa ye nanan mu edi kan ansa na ye ba no wa be ye bi. Nanan do moja boden energy wo man Ghana e de si ho. Moja hwiegu ne praye. Eni mo atete ni wo haw. Ye pen fo fam ansa no ma bedu sabre no ye ntimi ntina se nya nhwehan ma se be nipa bi ensa matwe o ma ne fa nko nachi ye be pema koyenim ye be suma koyenim ye be koso aginem me de ya kwasinsi ase me de kabre na address we ba so picture na ready a mampani we picture no na menchire ahwefo so the former IGP COP Dr. George Akufo Dampare and then Awoda. So Doctor, we wish you happy birthday. Nyame won shiraw. Na wonyo kese. Kosi so be ye kese pa. So once again, happy birthday to the former Inspector General of Police, COP Dr. George Akufo Dampare. And I think some saw another a happy birthday bin so abamfa Isaac Nomanyo. Okay, so quick one happy birthday so come Kwame Apia Hine Boache. District Internal Auditor wa Dansia so kwa District Assembly ne birthday Kwame. Nyame enhira wonso. O man mu aso nya di mfantia watamfo. No man ye di enhira me ne panyinu sampo no rade na enhira wo. So happy birthday come Kwame Apia Hine Boache, the District Internal Auditor, Ewo Adanse Asokwa, Mensini Emo. So quick, when say, you know, share video, yeah, you show ye, and it's so unfortunate. Ebiameka, nipe being tiasie. It's so unfortunate. So man be do sa empensuono. And you say the epenwo. And you say, ye pet your mind. Meaning, say you'll be any so I don't say Ghana, baby, happen, penso ya. Ye dream. But like I always say, I believe, say, ye queen, my name, I bet me as a son. Yes. Yami or sacre, you may sacre, your mamma, 70 years, ye juma, some days to come. Like I said, dear about qua ain't my say, be ain't me, I sabasa, when ye say. Ye nim baby a bit me a press the stop button. Say ye catch or say baby a bit do the enough is enough. That be a because you can see a D and Kaya chia. Ye read me free be a de because what your home bonnet. Obi a can send be our point. So be number 4 reference say it I was so go share say no I was so go near course no. I don't want to believe, say, we are justifying your course while you was West will go. I want to believe say ye nyina ye coming together to condemn every election violence. Omani kanko, omani ye yo, omani putuo, and the ye nyina ye di hiade. Eti no be kai ayo aso go. Oche be kai ablekuma not. So the question say, him funny ebeka say enough is enough. Yebeko so ehunu ne say ye. Say de kwa akoto aba bia asebio ebeja ye ayem hyehye. Say ya na beko so. Etu ntwada. Say e kwa abato so a nipa bepra. O sesa. But because maybe be a man of for no madwi enyansi so. Me see what happened in 2024 about to any padodo anto aba no. Enye solely because e be a MPP etitafo. But e be me recalling near me course in 2020 elections. So the question is akwati say me bia kwato aba. Na basabasa ye kwaso a. Me bia kwato aba mpa adwuma mo papa na me prana. A time will come. Timemfo be jaba to no. Because yes, ebia na ya target esimesi. Ebia nyo na ya target. But you see in shooting, every be sporadic shooting. To say 10, ebia nipa na ye pe no adoje. Na ba benya me a me ba beto ma aba. Timi to ade yem hyehye ene jame. Maybe says metimi akoso aba se ba beto aba na. It's your policy for. It's your policy for. At least we thought we were going to use these 19 polling stations as a test case against our major elections. 19 polling stations put the end to me and control violence you. Then I asked myself, well, Akwatia, a whole constituency with more than 19 polling stations. How are we going to control it? The buyer into most of the violent areas now. A banner place for na atwemo. Ye dientia. IGP Ghana for pese hu. Die na buyer enti basabasa ye koso ablekuma not no. Se gidigidi no eba. Na police follow atwemo agina nche. E police ni ba akokwa de. Wojim se omokoso aja okoso ballot box. Se na bia onka se wonye hwe. To no kura the ballot box. Aya o protective ballot box. Satana ballot paper bia kura nso nim. Yenhwe ni ye o. Yenhwe ni ye. Amama hodu aboko haram ni ade asisu no. Sankofo bebrenye timemfo. Empeni wakasa bi okonsese esie eman ho kwan a. Esie man ho kwan a. Ye me ho kwan dodo. Some people might infiltrate. Yanhwe ni pe bebo awremu a enwie papa yomfa momman. Uma yenye din. It shouldn't matter nipa or what power. It should be about Ghana. 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 That should be our prime focus. Omani yerekade na nkefe. Aba ko to anka ne basa ye wom ene sei. Mako sam line. Edru me so mako ya tim paper de amame. Baby was some temperature me papa me sa me come fie e bless na bese metie se na resource me kwa ma baba gina baby ya di market di amame makwa akoti abo awie me come fie e ko ha na ye de. It is said be abrofo omuni hooligans. If I ye kan kapa kom kura wotu che omo akodi e betim di awudi okra de achen. Why should it mostly be Africa? In this case, Ghana. Why? Tiaba to be able to do one more, then he pass through the gem. Ko ye nim ni pa ye kwa prano. Abranti okoso join his report time. I want to believe. Say nya join his report na target. Maybe a prapre ye koso nti. And the man ko pem no. Ebi na meka wasem no. Titemuni be da sori afiri fie so kwa akoto aba. Yes, you na mo catch them confess the number of amanfo a entwabo mamu no. Ano den. Yesu na mo ka se nkofo a MP nto aba no ano den. Ni yeye ehye nkuran. NPP NDC ni yeye ehye nkuran. Ye opomani ye yo anomani ye bono. Is it because of our personal gain? Na kama modie osukuta superior adwempo abetimi aboa mpianga na akwa animu adenti na fe atore amanfo so boy ne e pai wo yasum ne e de konti bowe ne e de ti ehedi we yenhwe ne yo mumien kase anka ne de bi ye beka ne akoso aka ene bia ebe siutiu ochina nso me did your questions on my computer and theatre, so my watch out pay.
That was me, Joseph.
Miss Hanson Wakaba, so.
Yeah, me Joseph, be I book there.
Yeah, I may say.
See, I see you are worried. You are worried about what?
Election violence, on my.
I didn't see.
Basabasaya, cause we are about to. Say, but baby, yes, will be pra.
I for fun. It you are not going to your manner.
And in any quasi man.
Please, ignore this conversation. It's not necessary. Let's think of our journalists. Ignore it. But, so, my invited guest on no Council of State meeting, or no, with me can I drink Ghana Police Service. Please. So let's think of how we can secure our journalists and ignore. Yeah, ignore. Because if you need the extra energy. Now double was one I don't know. So what are you talking about? Why are we pretending that we don't know what is happening? The Costa Vigilante Act, what happened again? So nobody should scream. Nobody should shout. Because NDC said, there will be a sort of Casa by now. On top of his voice, there should be Sam George. A whole member of parliament, with the MPP for Kanye. When I sat on radio with Obi to say, Adeyeko Afghanistan, do you know what the MPP did to me? So what is it? What is happening? BBNC. Let us all go the way we are going. Until it gets to all of us, then we will know that something is happening. Now, let's think of the journalist. We will decide not to be part of that chaos. You can cover any programs. Let's take a bold decision. Then we will sit back in our comfort zone and report accordingly what we have seen there. Why are you worried about this? Why? Omaya Yashem Rasi a trap vigilante. Obi or a politician be any suffering in a cosa places where Omkuta Bambo. And you say that remember you one cow yanadi. Obia or Cofield, Obia, Ukra Berman, a betty to say. And you're telling me that I should come and scream over this? So stop the videos. Go back to Ayawaso. When competent men were assembled to give us a white paper for government to implement it. What happened? Now we are both 2 man and I hear this figure now. NDC focus on Nipano, the area for the cameras, and I see so much opportunity Panama BBS in it. And audience Nipan life, no Saka. So why are you doing this? It's a disservice to yourself and to the nation. Allow them to play the game. Let's think of us, the journalists. Let's boycott these programs. They should die the way they want to die. They should be harmed. So what is the relevance of you screaming this morning, showing us you say, oh, sympathy, you know, my God, Debbie. Allow. We are not ready to change as a country and as a people. So allow. Because why? If we wanted a change. On Maya Debia Dameka, Accra Kumasi Road up to this point, it's not a problem. This morning, Kolebu, I'm just coming from there, Nipa Dafom.
Yeah.
This morning, a friend of mine, Diaso, National Security for Journal, Nasa CC or Moya illegal mine. So why are we behaving as if we don't know the realities on the ground? Why? It happened in the NPP time. Kojo upon Kromani, Omo, a Niti, Henry Cotton, rest, right? The government is to control. It's here, money, you know, oh, this is what you call election, fair election. Can we be fooled all the time? No. We've been fooled for some time. But this time round, as journalists, we need to draw back now, allow them to play. Some dark days, you know, and because look to me, Franchu. Debbie, and tell us how it comes in the betche. Is that what you are thinking? A phone son or movie. They are pretenders. They are cowards. They are hypocrites. When they come out, they pretend as if, oh, who they are balance, whether 8 years or 4 years or 12 years. You see how the MPP will come 10 times. And Macatro, the bail condition is not going to go for 50 million Ghana. It's $3 billion. You are here. It's the moment we phone son, sir. Your boss, I'm George Eniso. I was a witness. Say, no, we cannot move this country this way. Oh, you're arrogant. He's a member of parliament. Member of parliament too. It was a comparison, me and your comparison. No, it can't happen. That is why this jet matter. NDC forward position, jetty or France, yes, service jetty, di nanado atemabe. On say be affect almost engine too. Jai space no more. Jai, leave it for them. Leave it for them. So are you saying that we don't know the people who acted the way they acted? And you are saying in the full glare of police now impunity by now kukudru na Ghana police bear 20 go over your own wasem over electoral commission. We are not principled. Let's give them that peace of mind. In fact, my expectation was for the National Electoral Commission to say enough of all this. Charlie, we've stepped aside more for the money. Let's not do that. Yes, I need a fourth form. You know the people. You know money. And we have encouraged you to say, Basintel, hey, 5K, move. Na any day. On the side, crack it because when you a fly, on the kitty cry. Young boy, and this is what you want to do. Onim Uncle Busani when the skills 10. Kobusayamin, when the skills 10. About a 5K man or friend, or pa Uncle Ibrahim Fizia, Kasaima, or Uncle Gabi. One time powerful person in this country, Uncle Fee, there is no car park there. 5K men, when it turns, about 0.01 men, then you have all of them at your disposal. Please, so don't waste that energy. I want you to spend the whole time addressing multimedia management, addressing other media houses management, and the Ghana Journalists Association said, let's retreat. Let's allow them the space. Now, Oba Bisiana Bema Kentin Kapad and Sa won any sa. Now, be Janano one yada politics for politicians. Now, journalists know not go for now. GH1 was what ya bonaman haswa. Are you kidding me? To waste time on Nukpenu and Ebenate? Please, excuse me. Please. Mr. And divert your attention. I have been idea from anything relating to this, I will not ask it. I'll pretend that I've not even seen it. You have can't dear John Mahama see obey my. Me share we Hokrana could be a medio. Or moment, maybe international. They are coming to pretend for the cameras. Almost see and patch of followers. When Nukpenu got out of his car, he went straight to the. They were having sweet, comfortable conversation. Okay, say I can't drama here. Now we know we a kung fu fighter. We 80 meters ahead, triple jumper. Now come a minute train on our council from now we are. You think the NDC will come and take your whole family and make sure say, see now some member I can't. This is absolute nonsense. The any man no. The information minister and the first question was no condemn act and one answer condemnation without prosecution. Not double ya condemnation without prosecution. Not peace council. No a troll letter and we without answer. You think that is what we want? Please, Macatro, let us allow the space to roll. Nukpenu understands it when Ibenete is also misbehaving. He understands. But to say no power. Till you ever can do the defense, remember? Now only hand on the electoral commissioner MPP for SC or money on the San Quambo man. Unia. Until the end of the Nukpenu defend the electoral commission. 19 from 3 to 19. That means a Benizanete will join you. Miss Ressa, can we talk from because minimum 2 crowd made you move and baby. You should have your church or TV. Who church them say the electoral commission, you don't understand them, you went for a meeting. As of the time that we were even doing the press conference, they said that we were 3, we are going and cover it, whatever be yell. Maybe yell. If your uncle, the NDC was crying.
Yes.
There's no independent body in this country again. Me and that die. There is absolutely no independent body in this country again. The Constitution allows it, but for the records, just for the paper, cameras, Yes, the Constitution says Electoral Commission will be independent, blah 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 will be independent, and then the correct and will be another. If our public service now is a political arena, please, DMBM, who teacher former Ajiegu, maybe I'm a Marco school. I've gone to one teachers. You cannot be teaching them MPP and this in the school. Is that your portion? Teacher, the feedback teachers are now putting in their minds where they belong to. Are you normal? A country where Migdebia Damika or Maya say any fake, abaye a normal lifestyle. Honesty, are you offensive? Truthfulness, are you offensive? Patriotism, very offensive. What are you talking about? Please, let's not waste our energy. This energy should go into our dear journalists and appeal to GJ and then all those to stay away from some of these activities. If we don't take action and we come and stand here with your colors, like joining the movement party of Alan Chemantin, to come and just be talking to you, are you not ashamed that Electoral Commission, as of the last time I spoke to them on the Asempa, said that their readiness is just on the police
to protect them?
What nonsense is this? And everybody sits down and says, we should talk about these politicians again. Please. What our problem is. This morning from Golebu, Nipa did the form. And Nipa did the form. And you want me to come and be doing this for the politician? Yeah, this is not the better Ghana we all want. And it didn't start from them. So I can't blame the NDC. Because my member of parliament, Ningo Pam. You know how a commission is my best friend. Would be beer to enjoy say or bar? Say man can think Kenya kukudro or bar or man consider. Now mutimiti or bar trisutiana yasi. I haven't yet do know. When they engage their party people in national security services, we know them. And we come back and quachi ofusu now. And all the nitiwus and then you can say interior minister, a defense minister, please. Don't waste our time. There's too much. Don't waste our time.
All right.
Speak about the journalists no more. One kasa nim say yankasa, sa nyoma we ano, ya suffer 3. I be manya dem die for life.
Yeah.
Oti ha unko field. Iti uba kan tra sa adiaka. Now coffee near Jew of Fua.
Oh, my problem is that's my voice here. None of your phone to us. Or send out for my crap.